Guys, I'm about to tell you about a really incredible project, all right? And the pre-sale right now is actually on. It's an AI token. If you stay to the end of the video, you'll see exactly why I'm so excited. I'm not a financial advisor, this is for education purposes only. That's my disclaimer. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here it is, the AI hedge fund that allows everyone to be part of the hedge fund, all right? This is very exciting. You can enjoy passive income here on Autopilot by simply holding the Harambe AI token. So let's go into this, exactly what's going on. So before I talk about this, all right, to join the airdrop, I want to show you what this is. So it's not your average primate, all right? Not your favorite meme or whatever crypto wealth dream gone wrong. Harambe is a hedge fund system entirely driven by artificial intelligence and designed to outsmart the slickest traders out there. Now, guys, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced. If you are ready to become a slick trader, this is for you. So they've learned the good, the bad, the ugly, winning and the not so winning cryptocurrency blueprints over time to develop a highly profitable venture in the crypto jungle. Harambe has been trained on years of historical trades and powerful strategies, leading hedge funds and expert traders. So guys, their ultimate goal, all right, what is that? Is to make those high returns typically reserved for elites accessible to all investors, all right? And with that, guys, they give you hassle-free profits, all right? This is huge. They give you decentralized hedge fund, huge. Auto-traded AI bot, a buyback and burn cycle, a 20x gain for the pre-sale, 24/7 blockchain trading, all right? Right now, one Harambe AI is $1 USD, all right? This is incredible, all right? It's very cool, and it's about to go 100% ROI this year with how much tokens go in. And you can get involved right now, okay, with the airdrop. This is very important, this airdrop, okay? Click on this, and you will get redirected to the airdrop. The pre-sale is being completed, guys. Some of the tokenomics, guys, 690 million total tokens, no tax, no team tokens, all right? 34.5 million in the marketing community engagement. 69 million for the CX listing, the burn mint 103.5 million, pre-sale 207 million, and the DEX listing is 276 million. As going through the roadmap, all right, you can see here the completed pre-sale is just updating, okay? This is going to be ticked. We've completed the Harambe token pre-sale launch, okay? The listing on Harambe Uniswap is next. Then looking at onboard and influencers, we've already got a lot, okay? Launching a million market campaign, listing on Gate and KuCoin, which is happening right now, and deploying the AI, which is very soon. Phase 3, all right, looking to launch the 5 million market cap, integrate stocks into Harambe AI. Then in phase 4, integrating this into top crypto bots, listing on Binance and Coinbase, and additional token utilities. Very interesting, guys, all right? And you can go to the bottom of the website, read all about the articles and what people are saying, guys. This is incredible. Now, if you go to their Twitter, okay, they have a total of 10,000 followers, and it is at HARAMBE_AI. Please make sure, guys, that you only follow this Twitter, all right? There will be fake ones made. They're posting loads of different stuff on here, okay, guys? Loads of different stuff on here, talking about the airdrops that's just finished, pre-sale finishing, the token launch, what's going on, all right? So make sure you do stay tuned to their Twitter for that. So that pre-sale has just been completed, guys. Very excited, okay? I was actually part of this, and it's absolutely insane. Okay, there's a $20,000 giveaway to celebrate the success, all right? Over $9 million plus raised with the pre-sale. Absolutely insane, okay? And the airdrop of 20,000 tokens is right now, guys. If you click this, you'll see it says complete. There will be more coming, guys. So if you want to get involved with investing, holding, and reaping 100% annual percentage yield, this is it. And you can also get involved with loads of airdrops like this, all right? This is not the first, and it will not be the last, all right, guys? So make sure you stay tuned, all right? There's a reason that all of these, all right, BN Crypto, Blockonomy, Tech Bullion, ICO Holder, CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Insider are talking about this, all right, because it's absolutely fantastic. So guys, if this is something that sounds good to you, make sure you do hit the link down below to go and have a look at it right now. Now, I know the pre-sale has finished. It's about to go crazy. The airdrop was fantastic, and there's so much more to come, like I said. It has huge, attractive liquidity and stake mining programs, all right, guys? So this is something that inside of the ecosystem, you can money in all different areas. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe button above, and be notified, and let's get started today.